Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Pisces. And this reading will resonate for your sun, moon and rising sign, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have 5 of moons in reverse, cardinal of stars in reverse and 9 of spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, today you may you may meet the people you missed. Maybe you were away from friends, maybe you did not have contact with someone with whom you were very close. For some of you, it may be even your past person. You were really good friends, but you were not communicating or you were not speaking. So something was, some troubles were there in this friendship. It may be your friend, guys. For most of you, it is your friend, or for some of you, it may even be your past person. So you are seeing them, maybe a coincidence, meeting them accidentally somewhere, and you are happy to see them today, and you feel that whatever troubles were there between you both has dissolved, and that friendship is still there between you both, and maybe that friendship is reviving today, guys, Pisces. And this person was someone you trusted and was someone you felt really close to, and for some reason you were separated, and today you are seeing them, guys. And maybe in your work situation, Pisces, you need to be really careful, guys, because today maybe your circumstances may be quite forcing you or pushing you towards some choices or some paths. But you need to be careful before making an important decision. You need to think clearly, then go for that, because impulsive actions are not going to work for you, guys. They will take you into more challenges or more difficulties today. And you need to be really careful, because there is someone in your work. So it may be in your work situation or it may be in your personal life. Maybe this person may not have honest intentions towards you, guys, and they may have their own agenda. Maybe they are here in this connection to make use of you in some ways. So maybe you need to be really careful, Pisces. If you have known them only for a short time now, you need to be really careful with this person. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is 10 of moons. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. And maybe in this relationship with this person, whatever misunderstandings were there, guys, you will be able to overcome all that if you are careful. Maybe if you have true love towards them, you are going to see happiness and contentment in this relationship. Even this person will understand you and they will change with your love. So all your dreams and as plans for the future will be realized, guys. And maybe if you feel that you cannot trust this person, even then you can give them time, guys, to understand, because this card is a positive card and it just means that you are going to see happiness and you feel really safe and secure with this person. So a very positive card for your relationship. So things will change for you, though you may see some troubles. If you are seeing some trouble, still there is a chance for change, guys, Pisces. So for your career situation, Pisces, we have the Magician. So in your work situation, there may be people suggesting you certain things, giving you ideas to take up some project or make some choice. But whatever it is, you need to have a mind of your own, think for yourself, then decide with clarity, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Don the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is what to say, that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that um, recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.